True or false? Lyme disease can only be transmitted during the summer months.
True.
False.
False.
Yes.
False.
False.
False. While most cases occur from June to September, ticks can be active in temperatures above 4 degrees Celsius, including spring and fall. True or false? Black-legged ticks have been found in multiple areas in Toronto.
False.
True.
False.
No, I don't think so.
True.
True.
Sure.
This is true. Tick surveillance has confirmed their presence in Toronto parks and ravines, especially in wooded or grassy areas. True or false? Not all black-legged ticks carry the bacteria that causes Lyme disease.
That's true.
I believe it's true.
True.
Yes, I think.
I'm gonna go with false.
True.
This is true. Only a percentage of black-legged ticks are infected with Borrelia burgdorferi. Regardless, precautions should always be taken to prevent black-legged tick bites because any black-legged tick could be carrying Lyme disease. True or false? If you find a tick attached, you should squeeze it with your fingers to remove it.
False.
That's false.
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 This is false. Ticks should be removed with fine-tipped tweezers, grasping the tick's head as close to the skin as possible, firmly pulling straight out. True or false? Pets cannot bring ticks into the home.
True.
False.
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 Pets can carry ticks indoors, so they should always be checked after being outdoors.